Okay, hello everybody. How are we doing today? Okay, on my truck, my 67 C10 Update Infinity, I got the wheel drum or brake drum off, and it's got some problems. Let me show you. So see all that fluid right there and inside of it? The brakes are still pretty decent back here, but they look a little worn. See all that? That's not good. I know that I have brake fluid leaking out of here, but I think that the axle seal might be leaking because this stuff looks like tranny fluid, but it's thick like grease, like axle grease. So I gotta get the brake cleaner, spray this off, and hopefully figure out how to get the brakes working. And Update Infinity is coming again, or I'll say Update 3, whatever. Alright, catch you in the next one, guys. Bye.